HUAWEI Y6 Prime, and let me show you how to enable backup data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings. Now let's scroll down and here let's simply choose System. Alright, from the following options, let's find and select here the Backup and Restore. Choose here Backup My Data. Let me just show you how to enable Google Backup. Of course, you can also use the Huawei one, but right now let's enable Backup My Data by Google Drive. Now let's go back and let's choose the backup account, because you need to add the backup account. If you have added some Google accounts, you can use them right now. If not, let's choose Add Account. The phone is checking info. It's important to have the internet access right now. And right now you need to sign in into the Google account. You can also create a new one by using that link if you would like to, but in my case let me just use the existing Google account. So let's just input the email. Alright, tap OK, let's tap Next. Now it's time to enter the password. Let's just wait a few seconds. Now let me enter the password. Alright, so now you are ready to tap Next right here. Let's tap Agree to Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. The phone is checking info. Here let me leave Backup to Google Drive enabled, choose Agree. And that's it, just enable Backup My Data and add necessary backup account. So now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.